this is Joshi Brothers, and
Hey!
okay, yeah, that's my brother. He's very annoying.
Special guest.
Yes, special guest, my brother's friend who sucks at
Minecraft Noob 101 here.
So this is what will
Back
be
with another
happening.
Minecraft video.
My brother, he's just laughing on and on. So what we're gonna be doing is all three of us get to do too many walls each, and we add the coins up, like from both games.
Yeah, from both games.
Okay, Max is definitely gonna lose.
We each go one first.
Do you have to get coins? Do you have to get kills to get coins?
Yeah, and you have to kill the withers.
Oh,
So I'm gonna be going first.
We're gonna distract him, right?
Yep, but no tickling, no anything that.
We have one guy at school. Every time we have
We're posting this.
every time we have no chittering, chattering, coloring, clapping, or
Okay, I'm gonna say on Quake Pro. I really hate going. No, I like Quake Pro because I feel like I'm hacking, but I'm really not. Okay, next.
But you're not. You're far from hacking. You are very far from hacking. You're on the noob level currently. That guy is worse than Max.
Hey, no disrespect here, Ari.
I
I'm a Minecraft oh my gosh. Minecraft legend.
Oh, that was this is why would he try to team?
that was
See,
pretty.
People are very stupid sometimes. Oh my! This is all food.
How many kills does he have?
Oh, good.
5. Oh, so
I'm gonna try to kill all the. Oh, my wither's done. First,
Why would you block it on air?
that was accident.
Sure.
Like my brother.
Okay, good news, guys.
Gabi,
Wither's
wait.
almost dead, and as we are rooting for me,
Wait, root for the noob.
Oh yeah, before.
no one wants you to win.
Guys, comment who you think is gonna win.
Like how UMBC beat Virginia yesterday.
Oh, red.
You're dumb. Comment in the link. Comment in the description below if you think my brother's dumb. Many people do think that, especially
I'm
me.
just gonna comment right now. He's pretty low-minded, just saying.
Just saying, Max, you suck at Minecraft. Oh yay, my wither died.
That's the first time anyone
You're
said that.
probably gonna.
We all know you're gonna die.
We all know I'm gonna like.
Oh yeah, wither died.
But if he wins, oh,
It's impossible.
that guy was actually awful.
I am like so good at.
This is not a hole. Do you know what a hole is?
Get away.
This guy's wither's not even dead.
I know.
Why you use speed hacks? Look at this. Comment in the description below if you think that this is cheating. Look at this speed hack.
Yeah, that's why I like Quake Pro. Because it's like you are speed hack. Just saying, people, I'm not hacking. Promise you, I'm not.
But I promise you're gonna die now. Oh, you're dead. No, you need to wait. Wait.
I have to wait for my coins. Okay, I lost this, people. Sorry.
Were you?
I
No,
might even beat you
no
this
one.
time.
No one was surprised, Gabi.
Silence.
Where is it? I saw
Wait, who's
someone-
last one? Gabi's one person.
It's my turn next.
No,
so
I'm gonna
yes.
finish my 2 games.
No, it's 1-1-1.
have to finish my 2 games.
No, that doesn't. Then there's no suspense. No, get out. So
Fine.
we'll get ready to write how many coins you're gonna get. We all know it's not gonna be much. And as you guys know, smart people are not gonna be on Quake Pro.
What is Quake Pro?
It's like the setting, like the distance that you look. It's like this is so much better. I don't know where blue is. Where would it be? Oh, it's a noob. His name even says noob. Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's destroying them! Explode! Oh, okay. We got 588 coins for Gabe's.
Is that a lot?
No.
No, that is not
Okay.
a lot. It's probably more than you're gonna
Because I'm
get.
just saying, my high is like 100
Tops.
tops. Yeah.
Alright. Next person. The one everyone wants to.
Comment
Me.
down below if you're gonna. If you think this guy is better at PvP than me.
So annoying.
Yeah, friends from school are definitely gonna sound bad, obviously.
You have no friends.
Oh my gosh.
That's why you're quiet now. And Max knows it too.
Friends suck.
Oh my god. There's this meme. When you try your best, but you're in need of milk.
Oh yeah, I heard of that one. I heard of it.
Oh my, when you steal somebody.
Oh my god, this
All my brother can do is he can
Steal.
only KS.
He
That's
stole
all he
somebody's
does.
kill.
like that guy was very weird. I didn't steal the kill.
You
That
did.
was my kill rightfully. That's mine. Yes.
Death.
It's okay.
He
What's
brought one down
Oh,
to
yeah,
16 and the other still was on 20.
Cause they killed me and got extra hearts.
Well, that one that was originally at 20 got the extra one.
That guy's
Cool
weird.
Max is not cool. Aha! Zachary! No!
You're dead.
No!
You got a kill, I think.
You should not be talking, Gabi.
Can you stop?
No. Well,
Oh, you guys are losing.
Yeah, his wither is getting targeted.
oh no!
Probably because I'm so good, people see how my pro
Sorry, you
skill
didn't like the
works.
fries?
Oh, cause there's some idiot drilled a hole in here.
Yes, and our dad is being very annoying. He's talking.
And then he tries to cover up. I was clearing my throat! And this is all going up. I don't know what you're embarrassed now.
No more.
No, he's still talking. Get ready. Okay, this is gonna be a clutch. Looks like blue. I think I'll get some finales.
Not gonna be a very good clutch. You suck at clutches. My Ari, my brother, he's dead.
Dead. Dead.
100% chance.
You're 100% sure.
Maybe not. Oh, he's gonna be a noob.
How is this being a noob? This is just skill.
And he's
Okay.
gonna crouch the rest of the time.
Look at them. Look at those guys. Guess what? They're still alive.
Yeah, and
Yes, and precisely. I'm just gonna
You
shoot.
should try to team with them.
No, that's cross
cross-teaming.
teaming.
Isn't that okay?
no,
No, that
it's
is not okay.
Well, I haven't read the rule book actually.
I mean,
Even if there is a rule book, I don't think it's a.
I mean,
Good. Go, get them. Get them.
You don't get assists in this.
That
It's not
can't
real
run it.
Mega Wall.
you don't
Get to
to
seize them. Seize them.
That's
Oh, he's hacking.
No,
He was standing on a.
iron
Oh,
bars.
one's dead. There's the other one. I think they see me.
If you die right,
for you.
if you die right now, it's guaranteed that you get less coins than me.
But-
Six kills and that's it.
It's more than you got.
No, I got like 8.
What, how'd you miss that bow shot? You were so close. I mean, I wouldn't make it, but like.
Yes, final. Come on, let's go, peasant. Oh, he's gonna fight me.
You're gonna lose. Oh, pull out the bow. No, you suck, Zach. Yes, I'm
Oh,
holding.
you see
No!
me?
Yay! Yay!
Who win? No, I'm still gonna win. I'm still gonna.
No, I got one final kill and then more kills, I think.
No, you did not. You got like 5.
No, I got 6.
I think I'm gonna beat you.
Watch my brother. He
Nah.
he gets like 6 kills
Do you
and
get
like
extra
one
coins?
final kill. Instead of get the same amount, he's gonna get like 900.
Do you get coins for winning?
What? Yeah, like 300.
Oh, so Oh, so if my team wins, then I could have a chance?
Yeah. If your
Pretty
team,
sick.
if your team carries you.
Yes, if my team carries me, do I have a chance?
Yep,
And,
you won't
and
get
these
a single
idiots
kill.
up here, this guy's bad. And if this guy didn't
He
come,
beat you already.
he did not beat me.
He did.
He did not.
He kind of killed
He kind of didn't. It was his
you.
friend.
J-Dog.
J-Dog, exactly, not Zach. Go in!
His teammate came in for the kill.
Zacharoo 9.
Look at the blocks. They gracefully fall.
Usually.
Oh! Wait. I'm gonna fall in that green thing.
That's very...
I'll get to you guys. Oh, when? Okay.
Watch, he's gonna get more. Okay. Oh no, I got 9.
Yeah!
Woo! Woo! Right now, you guys can't see me, but I'm running around. Woo!
I think
Woo!
the victory's in my grasp.
I think the victory is in Max's grasp.
Comment down below if
He's
you're
now in
ready
the
for
driver's seat.
Minecraft Noob 101 to take home the victory.
Okay.
Alright, we're back, fools. Let's move this.
the new 101 is playing.
Can I destroy those?
He
Yes!
doesn't know the controls.
Yes!
He doesn't know the controls that well.
Wow, that's a victory right there. Oh, walls fall? Where's the wall? There they. 2 snips.
This is gonna be interesting. Kill them from the window.
Kill! Go!
That's a victory right there.
Just think he was
Oh my
not
gosh,
acting
I got
really
this, fool.
bad.
Do I have unlimited air? No, I only have 2. Oh, this is my kill.
You can't even hit him.
This is my kill, fool.
Go for the lower one! Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, I had that guy.
oh my gosh.
But
Ah.
it was so close, but
Yeah, I'm
so
thinking
far.
my team's not carrying me to a victory.
Yeah, you guys are actually getting
Oh, Max is gonna get 0 coins.
Oh, I got a kill! Alan,
No,
that
you
wasn't-
No, you didn't! The lady with a kill it!
He's gonna get 0 coins.
Oh, I got you, fool. I got you. I'm right here. Ooh!
Ah!
0 coins once again.
Oh, it's deep.
That's right.
Oh, there's a human.
Got you, dude. My boy. Jeffard.
Who's Jafar?
Jeffard, my boy? You haven't heard of Jeffard?
No.
This my boy.
Comment down below
Jafar.
if you heard of Jafar.
Oh, he's gonna get 0 coins.
Hey, you got a problem with Oh!
Oh
You got
Go kill him! Go kill him! He sees that you're
no! No, there's participation coins.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh,
victory! Victory!
there's 150, I think.
Participation coins. Oh, my teammate died. I'm ready to fight you, fool. I swear, they're gonna come behind me in a
Comment
minute.
down below
But, like,
right now
whatever.
if you think you'll win.
This is a dub right here.
Let go!
Let go! Let go!
Whoa, top 3 out of 4. Top 3 out of 4.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh.
You're dead.
Yeah, death.
Let's
see how many-
I'll get back to you guys when. Oh, it was that quick.
Let me see how many coins I got. Let's see.
0.
Oh, how did he get 258?
That's pretty sick.
Okay, we're gonna see you in part 2, which will be coming up shortly.
Bye.